Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will start creating a new project in EpiData Manager. So to do that, first you need to open EpiData Manager. So I'm using Spotlight Search, so I will press Command and spacebar and then type epi. So it would automatically appear. So enter this. Now this is the EpiData Manager software. So there are two options to create a new project. First one is using menu based option. So you go to File and click on a new project, or you can just press use the shortcut key, Command N or Control N if you use Windows. So press on it. Okay, now so as soon as you create a new project, so the window will split into two. On the left side, this is the project structure. So you can see that the top one is the Untitled project. Under that, there is a dataset 1. So basically that is our data form where we can create our questionnaires and fields and everything. Okay, there is the left side. Left side is the project structure. So on the right side, there is the information about the project. So the first one is working. So of course, EpiData Manager will tell you how to create single data form, or for relational dataset, how EpiData Manager will give instruction how to do that. But basically, we don't need it. So I will move slightly that because so that you can see this button. So if I press this, the working information will be gone. Okay, let me expand it again. Okay, so the first step, the first information is about title and abstract. So you can put your title and abstract. Second, coverage. What is the geographic coverage, language coverage, daytime, population, and units of observation. Description. So you can put setting information, keywords, purpose, citations, design. Ownership. This is important. You can put your organization or your agency, other collaborating orders, and copyrights information. This is also important. You can put your statement, funding statement. The last one is version details, where you can put your study ID if you have one, and version control. So currently EpiData put 1 by default. So I'm not going to change any of this except the title. Okay, so let's rename this to exercise underscore 01. Okay, so when I press enter key, this entire project will be changed to exercise 01. So notice that. Okay, now it is changed to exercise 01 underscore 01. So before we go any further, let's save this project. Let's save this project. So go to File, Save Project, or Save Project as, whatever you like. So Save Project as. Now choose a directory. So I will choose document, and I will put a size underscore 01. Okay, so by default, EpiData will save the file as .epx format. So this is the EpiData format. So we will leave it as default and click Save. Okay, now it is saved. Now let's go to dataset 1. So we also need to change this name because we don't want to put dataset 1. Your project may have several data form, several questionnaires form, so you don't want to name them dataset 1, dataset 2. So on the right side, this is different than the project information. Okay, so this is the data form. On the right side, this is where you create all these information. So you will notice when you when we change from project to the data form, this bar appear where we have a lot of shortcuts to use. I will explain about these in coming videos. So right now, the only thing left to do for this exercise is right click on this blank canvas or blank form, click on dataset property. Okay, now let's change this label. So we will change this label to baseline information. Okay, so don't bother about other things, just do this and then click close. Okay, let me do this again. So baseline information, then you need to click apply, then click close. Okay, so you need to click apply first and then click close. So you can see that our dataset 1 has changed to the name baseline information. So this is how you create a new project and fill in information. Okay, so before we finish this, let's save projects and then close this. Is it? So thank you very much for watching.